Dear students, welcome to the online classes. Today let us start the new chapter in English of 7th standard syllabus, that is the leg trap. So here are some of the which is written by Manorama Jaffa, and here are some of the main important new words. So like temper, glance, hum, have, concentrate, and then meanings here. The meanings here. So let us have a detailed note about the lesson, that is leg trap. With the detailed notes, some of the pictures and all. Let us have a look on it. Let us have a look on the lesson, that is leg trap. Dhira was a shoe shine boy. He lost his father when he was very young and lived with his mother and sister. He was a hard working boy. After school, he would sit near a cinema hall and polish shoes for a living. One day, it was very hot. Dhira sat under a tree, counting his day's earnings and humming a popular tune, when he overheard a passerby say, "A thief has just robbed and escaped from the jewelry shop." Dhira stopped counting. He quickly put his money back in his pocket and asked the passerby, "When, where, just now?" He stole a gold necklace and managed to run away. They say he has a beard, so saying, the passerby went on his way. Dhira was about to go towards the jewelry shop to find out more details when a customer came to him. "Boy, polish my shoes nicely. There is no hurry," he said. When a customer came to him, "Boy, polish my shoe nicely. There is no hurry," he said. Looking at his wristwatch, the customer was wearing a pink shirt and a red tie. He looked like a rich man. Dhira sat down immediately to polish his shoes. Though his mind was still on the theft, the man first put his left foot on the stand with his yellow cloth. Dhira dusted the shoe quickly. Then he opened a tin, took out some polish and smeared it on the shoe with his brush and started shining the shoe. Through the corner of his eye, Dhira saw two policemen approaching. He was eager to ask them about the theft, but the customer seemed to have lost his temper. "You silly boy, you are not doing your job well," he cried, glancing quickly at the policeman. "Polish my shoes till they shine. There are still 5 more minutes for the show to be over." Dhira was disturbed. He must be an influential man. He may even complain about me to the policeman, he thought. So he concentrated his attention on polishing the shoe. As soon as he was done with the left shoe, Dhira said, "The other shoe, sir." The man put his other foot on the stand. "Hurry up, fellow. There are only 2 minutes for the show to begin." Funny, Dhira said to himself. A moment ago he was in no hurry, but now he is in a great hurry. Dhira dusted the shoe quickly and applied some polish to it. As he was about to shine it with the cloth, he found something sticking out of it at the back. What can it be? Dhira wondered. He bent his head to take a closer look. My goodness! "That will do, boy. It's time," the man said. Taking his foot off the stand, Dhira continued to shine the shoe with the cloth, while the man fumbled in his wallet for change. The boy quickly tied the ends of the laces of the 2 shoes and got up without taking the coin. The man held out and rushed to the policeman. He could hear the man yelling, "Hey, I will get you." But what's happening? The man fell flat on his face when he tried to walk. While he was struggling to get up, Dhira was back with the 2 policemen. They caught hold of him. Yes, he was the jewel thief. The gold necklace was found in his shoe and his beard. In his pocket, he was taken to the police station. Of course, Dhira was praised for his presence of mind. He was also rewarded by the police and by the jeweler. His school too honored him with a medal for his bravery. So dear children, this was the lesson Leg Trap, written by Manorama Jaffa. So have a detailed look on this. Enjoy the video. Thank you.